Thomas Baca Barber TV back. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. This JRL backpack, and that's actually a suitcase actually. And so watch, this is the box that it comes in. I'm just going to kind of try to open it up here. Yeah, this is the JRL, and what this is it's a suitcase, and it's for your luggage. What's good about this is when I went to New York, I really, like, this is what the box looks like. It came in another bigger box too that had this in it, and then that came in this box, and then it had some of this. I mean, anyway, this is what it is. So let's see. I don't know if anyone's ordered or how many of these have been ordered. Shout out to JRL for sending me, and look guys, real quick, I also ordered these. And I guess they sent me another blade. So thank you to JRL for sending me the other blade. I'll try those clippers out and I'll see how they work. And then I'll let you guys know. Look, this is this though. Because look, I've been traveling lately, and I want to bring my barber stuff when I travel because I want to get my YouTube videos out of the country and out of town and everything else. Like a little JRL badge. Let's see. All that off. Wow, that feels pretty good. It's plastic, but it feels really good. Let me set it on the ground just to see how it... Oh, guys, it wheels around like it's nothing. Watch, look. Oh, it wheels around really nice. Wow. That wheels around really, really good. Interesting. You cannot open the zippers unless you have the combination. The combination's at all zeros right now. Thank God, guys. So I'm not locked out. It's all zeros. I'm sure that I could set it. This is going to be insane. I'm very glad I ordered this. And guys, this was only $100. So it's like, look at this, opens up like that. Look at that. Look how this opens up. And look, so you could store anything in here. You can put your barber case in there if you wanted to, and store it. And have this secure it down if you want to. You can get some stuff that goes in there. Stuff that goes up in here. And guys, this isn't... Oh yeah, look at that. And it's kind of hard around there, so you could drop something back in there. You know, it looks like this. Let's see. So this is... all of that. It's plastic. It's a hard plastic. It feels like it's very good for the price. This comes up. This can also extend even longer. This feels great how this comes up. This just comes right up. This, with one press of a button, it just goes right back down. So guys, not only can you travel with this with your barber equipment, you could also stuff your clothes on this side right here. You can stuff your barber stuff up in here individually. So if you want a pair of clippers in here, you don't want them to touch these pair of clippers, you could throw a pair of clippers here, a pair of clippers there. I use Mizutani shears, so my shears come with a shear case, so I could stick them anywhere behind here, yeah, and this is it, guys. Just a nice little hard case to throw your barbering stuff in. You know, I'm still looking for a clipper company to represent me. And we'll see. We'll see who wants to do it. And look at that. So that's it, guys. What do I rate this one on a scale of 1 to 10? I'm going to go ahead and give this on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm going to give this an 8. The things I love about it. I like that it has this. That way you can put your own number. These stay locked in, so it's like you don't have to buy a lock for it. It automatically locks. So I like that they can't come in and steal your barber equipment. I love that about it. I really like the design about it. The design about it is super cool. It's a really cool design. It's the perfect size, guys, when I say it's the perfect size. And so I love the design about it. I love the fact that it locks. The wheels on it, they're like this rubbery at the bottom. They're really, they feel really durable, really high end. It rotates on a dime. And look, as you can see, look at that. It just goes on a dime. That's something I really love about it. And it has plenty of storage. And I just say, if you ask why I may not have given it a 10 out of 10, I give it an 8. Well, when I come and open it up here, I would make some specific housing for certain things for the barbering. Like this is a wide open area. Yes, that can carry your clipper box. So that's going to be nice that can secure it down. Not everybody has a clipper box. I would have liked to see some more of those, and then maybe a few more zippers throughout the thing would have been nice, and not so much open area like in the back here. But for $100, it's unbeatable, and it's the first. So you could use it all for your barbering stuff, and you could still take it on the plane with you. So in my opinion, it's now went up to a 9 out of 10, and it's great. And so that's it, guys. Comes with this $100. That's what you get. And if you guys like the video, like and subscribe. And I'll be bringing you more videos. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you. And watch. Let's get one little spin on the floor. Look, guys. So that's it right there. Look, real simple. Look. When I mean it's super simple like that, and it's at the perfect height. Doesn't make any noise. Walks around perfectly. Guys, it's great. It's a winner.